Hey guys, it's Mark, Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. It's not every day you get to drive a true muscle car. Today I'm super excited. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 car. And no, it's not your typical blue, it's not your typical red. This one is finished in a stunning, code correct butternut yellow. Black vinyl top, black SS stripes over black interior. And let me tell you guys, this car is awesome. Yes, it is a 396 car originally, but this particular car has been upgraded to a very healthy big block 454 backed by a 3-speed automatic transmission. And there's a few little comfort creatures here. One being upgraded to vintage air conditioning, ice cold vintage air. This one has tilt wheel, 3-spoke steering wheel, and the cool thing is this U-shaped gear shift. Back in my day, we called that a his and her shifter when we used to blow the tires off these things. But everything seems to work, tack works, gauges work, even the clock's ticking. So guys, this car is super cool, super solid, 4-wheel disc brakes, and just has a stance that is unbelievable. You gotta check this one out. You'll notice under the hood with a 454 big block, there's some really nice accessories. Valve covers, air cleaner, all matches, very nice. You'll notice the fan belt system has been replaced with a billet serpentine pulley system, big aluminum radiator. Everything is just nicely sorted right down to the billet hood hinges. You'll notice the SS Chevelle is also equipped with 4-wheel disc brakes with new COYE wheels, equipped with Nitto tires all the way around. If you like this car or other cars like it, call 770-738-7111. Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta.